Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing with LovelySkin. I'm Ariel.
And I'm Ingrid.
So today we have some really cool, fun, unique products to show you guys. So as always, we're so excited. We're going to be showing you guys 2 products from Patchology. These Flash Patch lip gels and then also some eye gels for under the eye. So the lip gels, tell us about the lip ones.
They have green tea extract in them, and it's a great pre-makeup if you're going out for an evening. It's a quick and easy way to add some hydration to your lips. Do you want to dive in the lip?
Yeah. Okay, so we have to wait 5 minutes after we put these on, and you can't really talk, I hear, with them on. So let's see. Ooh!
They're kind of shimmery.
How cute these are. Are you kidding? They're shaped like lips, and they're pink, and they have a little bit of sparkle in them.
What is there not to love?
Cute. Okay, you want your lips to be clean, no product on them. Same with your face in general if you put any mask on. So we're ready to go. All right. Okay, I don't know if you could understand me earlier, but these smell so good.
They're kind of fruity. It smells really good.
Yeah, very fresh, right? They smell good. Okay, my lips feel soft. They feel instantly really, really soft and clean.
I agree. I don't think, and it doesn't feel like there's a lot of residue or kind of like that waxy feeling that chapstick gives sometimes.
No,
it feels,
not at all. Yeah. So next up, we are going to be trying out the rejuvenating eye gels, and these have rosemary extract in them, so I'm really excited for how they're gonna smell. Ooh.
Also shimmery.
Yeah. These ones are have a little more liquid on them.
They smell really good too.
Yep. There we go. Okay, so 5 minutes is up. Shall we peel them off?
We shall.
All right. So easy.
Feels really good.
So you're supposed to rub the extra serum into your skin, which is so nice. So none of that gets wasted. It feels so good.
I really like those.
Me too.
Yeah.
And combined with the lip, I feel like we had a little spa treatment.
It was a little spa
A
treatment.
little at-home spa treatment for you guys. So favorites? Can we even choose a favorite?
I think I think you almost need to do both. It's just impossible to choose one.
How can you? And they're for 2 different areas, so
Right.
it's okay. Okay, so you can find all of these products at LovelySkin.com as well as so many more. As always, thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.